Welcome students. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is the chemical kinetics, and in the previous lecture we have taken the rate of reaction and average rate of reaction and instantaneous rate of reaction. Okay, now in the today's lecture we are going to start with the factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Factors affecting rate of reaction. Okay, in today's lecture we will see what factors affect the rate of chemical reaction. Okay, now the first factor is, if you want to travel on bike, if you want to travel on car, what is necessary? First of all, fuel is important, and second thing is the concentration of fuel is important. How much concentration of fuel is present in your fuel tank? Okay, like that. The concentration is very important. If the concentration is high, faster will be the reaction. If concentration is less, slow is the reaction. Okay, first factor is concentration. Okay, concentration of reactant. As we can say that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. If the concentration is high, the rate of reaction is high. If concentration is less, rate of reaction will be less. So this is the relationship between the concentration of reactant and rate of reaction. Okay, now this is direct relationship, means if we will increase the concentration, rate will also increase. Okay, as the concentration decreases, rate will also decrease. So this is the first factor which affect the rate of chemical reaction. Now what would be the second factor? Second factor, guess what is the second factor? Second factor is very important factor, and I think all of you may aware about due to the temperature, what happen? Increase in temperature increases the rate of reaction. Okay, increase in temperature increases the rate of reaction. But what happens for a chemical reaction? If we increase the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction nearly becomes double. So this is a general statement. Now after this we have nature of reactant. Okay, fourth one, nature of reactant. Okay, now how the nature of reactant affect the rate of chemical reaction? If in a chemical reaction we have two reactant A and reactant B. Okay, now these two reactants, if their nature are similar, if they are interacting, they are attracting, they have force of attraction between them, then definitely these two reactants may collide, may interact and give the product. If their nature is different, they are not interacting with each other, in that case rate of reaction will not going to happen. Now after this, what we can say, the rate of reaction is depend upon the specific bonds. Okay, the bonds which are present in the molecule is important. Okay, the nature of reactant depends upon the bonds or type of bonds present in the compounds. Now the fifth one factor is surface area. Okay, now very simple example we have. In our day-to-day life we are drinking the tea. Okay, we have tea in a cup and we have tea in a saucer. Now which tea will cool faster? Definitely the tea which is present in the saucer, because saucer have greater surface area and the cup is having smaller surface area. So this is an example. This example does not show the reactivity, but this we can this is analogous example. On the basis of this example we can explain what if two reactants we have and both the reactants are powdered reactants, or what we can say, one reactant is powdered and another is gas. Okay, now specifically the surface area are important in those chemical reactions in which we have the solid catalyst or reactants are gases. Now if the catalyst have large surface area, then what happens, the diffusion of the gases takes place in large amount. If the diffusion of the gases is occurring on the finely divided catalyst, in that case reaction rate will increase. Okay, if the catalyst have less surface area, then the diffusion of gas will occur in less quantity and rate of reaction will be less. Now what we can say, if the reactants, both the reactants we have in the finely divided granular form, if they come in contact at the unit time, number of greater number of molecules come in contact and definitely rate of reaction will increase. If the reactant is in the form of lumps, then surface area decreases and velocity of reaction will decrease. Now the next factor is catalyst. Okay, now the question is, what is catalyst? What do you mean by catalyst? If you know the definition of catalyst, then you don't want to read or learn about the factor, how it affect the chemical reaction. First of all, the definition of the catalyst is the substance which enhance or increase the rate of reaction and which increase the rate of reaction, and at the end of reaction it get unconsumed. Okay, so कैटलिस्ट ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जब केमिकल रिएक्शन का रेट इंक्रीज करता है और केमिकल रिएक्शन खत्म होने के बाद में हमें क्या होता है, एज इट इज जितनी ही उतनी क्वांटिटी में वापस मिल जाता है. ओके, नाउ कैटलिस्ट increase the rate of reaction. Now we'll see some example. Now catalyst is the substance which alters the rate of reaction. Okay, if catalyst is increasing the rate of reaction, then we can say it is promoter. If the substance which is decreasing the rate of reaction, will say catalytic poison. Now we will see example. Okay, catalyst. Okay, now we will take an example of catalyst. Okay, the example of catalyst will take MnO2 as a catalyst. Now the reaction is decomposition of potassium chlorate. Okay, decomposition of potassium chlorate at room temperature is a slow reaction. Okay, and it will give twice KCl plus thrice O2. Okay, in this reaction if we are adding manganese oxide MnO2, this reaction becomes fast and gives product KCl plus thrice O2. Okay, this is decomposition in presence of catalyst and this is decomposition in the absence of catalyst. This reaction is a fast reaction and this is slow reaction. Okay, now the next one characteristic is intensity of the radiation. Okay, 5th, 6th and 7th. Okay, intensity of radiation. Okay, now this factor affect the rate of reaction, the reactions which comes under the photochemistry. Okay, means what we can say, photochemical reaction. In the photochemical reaction, the intensity of radiation is directly proportional to rate of reaction. If intensity of light will increase the intensity of light, photochemical reaction will move or proceed faster. So these are the factors which affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Okay, so hope you understand that. If you have any problem, any query, you can call me. Okay, you can comment in the software. Okay, and you can WhatsApp me also. Okay, thank you students.